very good prospects of winning number of seats, according to me. It may be absolute majority even, or it could be a sizable number by which they will be the kingmakers.
You was a successful technocrat who was accepted by people of the country. Do you think when you become politician, you will get same acceptance?
The two are different. You see, as a technocrat, I was working for the whole country. Now as a politician, I am working only for Kerala. I am confident if I am elected and I can be very useful to the people of this place, I will have the same regard and respect from the people.
What changes are you planning to bring in Kerala if voted to power in the state?
Basically in 4 areas. The first is development. See, Kerala is way behind in the development area. Development has got to be brought in. Second is bring industries. Hardly any industries in Kerala today. Industries are to be brought in. Industries only bring wealth for the state. Industries only will create jobs for our young men. So that is the second one. Third is raise the standard of our educational system. And fourth is bring a very transparent, efficient, corruption-free government.
Recently, Left Party has criticized you regarding your one voter washing your feet. So what is your reaction on this?
Touching the feet of elders is our tradition, Indian tradition. They probably don't know our tradition. This is the way of showing respect to an elder. And that is being done by everyone. My children do it when an elderly person comes to my house. And this is a practice throughout India, not in Kerala alone. This criticizing by the left government, that means they have no regard for our traditions and culture.
Tell me about your experience with Road Show with Amit Shah and what do you think, what will be the impact of Amit Shah Road Show in Kerala?
Today, I participated in the road show. It is a spectacular show. Thousands of people had turned up and they were so enthusiastic about the whole thing. I think that had a tremendous effect on the morale of the people and as an incentive for the people to vote for BJP. There's no doubt about it. How many questions are there?
Sir, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions.
You want me to change the green back?
I really appreciate your courage in this sense that you are doing active campaign. Proving that age is just a number. According to you, what is the prospect of BJP in Kerala Assembly election? My second question is, sir, you are elected by the people of the country. Do you think when you become politician, you will get same acceptance? Do you think when you become politician, what changes are you planning to bring in Kerala if voted to power in the state? What changes? No, what changes are you planning to bring in Kerala in state if voted to power?
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए News 24।